So I'd like to make an emergency appointment. I cracked my tooth.
Yes,
Can you see me?
yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Good Vibration Thailand. So I'm here with the dentist and I chipped my tooth here, which you'll see in the video. And apparently I have to get it removed. It is not an option. It has to be extracted. So we're going to do an extraction with the dentist here, and then we'll do a follow-up a little bit later. We're going to take you through the process and show you what dental care is like here in Thailand compared to the United States. So come along and let's see what this process and the cost is here in Thailand.
So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign. This is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you.
It's a big one.
I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I know I'll make mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy.
And they're doing a cap replacement or a crown replacement over here. And it's on my right tooth here. Now, I did get a crown there for about 4 years where the dentist recommended that I replace it. So we're gonna do that today at a very inexpensive cost compared to the United States. So come along and let's see what this process is here in Thailand.
From here to here, and we split the crown
Split the crown. Got it.
into two halves, and we look to see that if there is any decay, we fix the decay,
Okay.
and then
And then clean it up and then put the temporary cap on it, right?
shape.
Yeah.
นี่ไง
Okay. Wadika. Oops. Oops. You. Kapkunka. Kapkun. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today is the final day that I'll be putting in the permanent cap here. I'm with the Smile Time dentist office here. I'm excited. So there's the dentist there. I highly recommend him. He's super professional. As you noticed in my video, no pain on my face because this guy is an expert. Even the needles I could not feel. So if you're in Jomtien or Pattaya, go ahead and look them up. I'll leave the details down below in the description of the video for you to check out. So let's come along and look at the final step of getting a cap replacement here in Thailand. So I'm holding my actual permanent cap replacement here, as you can see there. It is now a permanent. I'm very, very excited and look forward to having this cap put in permanently by the dentist here in Jomtien.
It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally